So in this video we'll discuss about the application tool and best practices of the AWS application of AWS. So these are like five applications of the AWS, which are web and mobile applications, data analytics, machine learning and AI, IoT solutions, and enterprises applications. So web and mobile applications. AWS offers tools like Amazon EC2, Lambda, and Amplify to help businesses build and deploy scalable, secure web and mobile apps quickly. These services support flexible infrastructure and serverless computing to meet dynamic user demands. Data analytics. AWS provides powerful analytics servers such as Redshift, Athena, and Glue to process and analyze large volume of data. This services helps organizations gain valuable insights for informed decision making across various industries. Machine learning and AI. Amazon SageMaker enables developers to build, train, and deploy machine learning models efficiently. AWS also offers pre-built AI services like recognition and comprehend to add intelligent features without deep ML expertise. IoT solutions, Internet of Things solutions, which is also called as AWS IoT Core, allows secure real-time connections and management of billions of devices. It supports various communication protocols and integrates with AWS Analytics and ML services to create smart connected applications. Enterprise applications. AWS helps enterprises run critical systems such as SAP and Oracle with improved scalability and disaster recovery. It offers compliant, flexible infrastructure tailored to complex business workload and global accessibility. Popular AWS tools. AWS CLI, the AWS command line interface allows user to interact with the AWS service using command in the terminal or script. It simplifies automation and management of AWS resource without using the web console. AWS Cloud Formation. Cloud Formation enables infrastructure to be defined and provisioned using code templates. This infrastructure as code IAC approach make it easy to deploy and manage resources consistently and repeatedly. AWS Lambda. Lambda is a serverless compute service that runs code in response to event without the need to manage servers. It automatically scales based on demand and charge only for the compute time used. AWS CloudWatch. CloudWatch provides monitoring and observability for AWS resources and applications. It collects metrics, logs, and events, helping users detect issues and maintain application health. AWS IAM, identify and access management, control users access and the permissions across AWS services. It ensures secure, fine-grained access management to protect resources and data. AWS Elastic Beanstalk. Elastic Beanstalk simplifies the deployment, management, and scaling of web applications. Developers can upload code and Beanstalk automatically, handling infrastructure provisioning and load balancing. Best practices. A design for failure. Build system that anticipate and recover from failure. Utilize auto scaling for dynamic resources allocations and multi agent, which is called as availability zones. Deployment to ensure high availability and fault tolerance. Implement least privilege access. Assign users and services only the permissions they need to perform the task. Use IAM roles and fine-grained policies to reduce the risk of unauthorized access. Use cost management tools, monitor and manage AWS spending effectively using tools like AWS Budget and AWS Cost Explorer. This helps forecast expense and identify areas to optimize cloud cost. Backup and disaster recovery. Implement reliable backup strategies using AWS Backup, S3 versioning, and AWS RDS snapshots. This ensure business continuity and protects against data loss. Security first, ensure a strong security by enabling multi-factor authentication, logging activities with AWS CloudTrail, and encryption data both in transit SSL and TLS and REST KMS. Thank you so much.